Today, I got an exciting topic to discuss that should give your small business a massive boost: setting up a TikTok shop. Yes, you heard it right. TikTok isn't just for entertainment anymore. It's a powerful platform for small businesses too. In this video, we'll deep dive into why small businesses should have a TikTok shop and how it can help you grow your brand and increase sales. With TikTok shopping, you can display and sell products without ever leaving the app. Here's how to set up your TikTok shop for success. TikTok has an incredible user base with over 1 billion monthly active users worldwide. This diverse and engaged audience is a goldmine for small businesses looking to expand their reach. By having TikTok shop, you can tap into the vast pool of potential customers and showcase your products or services. TikTok shop also allows sellers to create a holistic e-commerce experience by managing the entire process within TikTok, from uploading products to curating points of purchase to shipping and order fulfillment, allowing businesses to provide seamless consumer experience. Sellers can showcase their creativity, connect with their audience, and be discovered by the community, utilizing the rich variety of formats such as live sessions and also creative collaboration through the TikTok Shop affiliate program, which connects creators with sellers through commission-based product marketing. TikTok Shop also creates a win-win situation for both sellers and customers. TikTok Shop is available in select markets including the US, UK, and China. Check TikTok's latest information for eligible countries and regions via this link. TikTok Shop is broken into 4 categories with different requirements for each type of commerce users, which includes sellers, creators, partners, affiliates. Depending where you are located, you can set up TikTok Shop via the TikTok Seller Center through seller.tiktok.com or the Seller Center app. For a seller account, you simply need to reside in one of these supported countries and provide ID, proof of residency, and a business license. Here's an overview of the Seller Center. On the left hand, you will find a panel with multiple options to manage your products. You can find tools such as the Products tab, where you can upload and create your products, but make sure you have the actual inventory in your store. Next is the Orders tab. You can manage your orders, cancellations, and returns. For shipping, you can choose your shipping options to deliver your products to your customers. You can increase promotions by using the promotional tool such as the flash deal, coupons, or discounts, or you can even opt to create campaigns via the ads to attract new customers or generate new leads. Over the top, you can go to Live Manager to help you to interact and engage your followers and audience via the live stream. TikTok also provides detailed analytics via the Store Rating tab that can help you understand how your videos are performing. You can track views, engagement rates, and even see which products are getting the most attention. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your marketing strategy and make informed decisions. If you need support, you can go to the Help Center on the left bottom and contact customer service via the chat. At the top right, you will find the latest updates and announcements from the message centers. And of course, you can access resources and tutorials via the TikTok Shop Academy. Here you will find tips and guides and even short videos to help you boost your sales and grow your business. So there you have it, the reasons why your small business should have a TikTok shop. The platform offers unparalleled reach, viral potential, and creative opportunities to showcase your products or services. Plus, it's cost-effective and comes with built-in analytics. If you're looking to take your business to the next level, don't overlook the power of TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights on growing your small business. And then as always, if you have any questions, do drop your experiences with TikTok Shop. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.